99, 100. Oh man, this is actually a really cool idea. They actually sent me this wonderful pull-up bar, which is great because you have a full adjustability to go anywhere from 25 up to a 36-inch width door. And a couple of the nice things I like about it is the fact that it's got these nice neoprene handles, and this part back here that actually clamps on and adjusts and holds onto any size of door, and it's padded and everything to try to prevent as much damage as you can to the door frame. Now, this actually will support up to about 300 pounds. I'm about 195 pounds. Fits me just fine. But the other beautiful part about it is it has these removable pieces here. I've gone ahead and put them on there just to show you, but you can take out a bolt and remove this if you don't want to use it. But they also send you with this piece here, which is a sensory swing that you can put on here for any child or yourself if you're wanting to have some fun. And now that turns that workout little bar into something that you can use for your kids. So they can play on it, they can swing on it in the door frame. Maybe you've got younger kids, and then whenever you want to actually work out, simply remove it and you're ready to go. Went together extremely easily. Did provide you with the tools, of course, right here, as well as the instruction guide. Very simple to put together. You can take it off and transport it. It should work in just about any home.